me and my brother. Hi. And I'm making like slime with lotion. So put 4 ounces of glue, any kind of glue, and then put food coloring, what kind, and then you put shaving cream, and then you put lotion, and then sear it all up. But I made this so cool design.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So we're just gonna mix it out. John, do you want to help me?
Yes.
Yeah. Sure. That's why my brother's here to help. Dude, what are you doing? No.
I'm going to do something, guys. I'm going to shove a burrito. Yeah.
Guys, you don't have to put lotion. I'm just making lotion.
Yes. Mo, get in there. Mo, get in there. Get in. Mo, get in.
Nicole, não deixa o Daniel ficar com ele não, viu?
Okay.
Mãe, vamos no prato.
This is like the cutest color ever I made. Guys, I think I was using John, go check what it is. John, go check what that is. É Daniel, mãe.
I'm back, guys.
I think that's all, guys, because I don't know. It's because I was like stirring for hours. Guys, my dad has an iPhone X, so I might as well.
Make sure it becomes really air whipped and nice and soft. So just make sure you mix it all in. Your emulsion really needs to be mixed into your slime so it won't be sticky. So this is the one with the teaspoon and I added about 4 teaspoons all together. All together. You want to make sure it becomes really air whipped and nice and soft. So just
I know, guys. I'm sorry.
Mix into your slime so it won't be sticky. So let's
What did you just say? Because you were just like,
baking soda as well, you guys.
baking soda? Let's go check we have baking soda. That's the hard part. I think we don't have baking soda. So it's okay. It's okay.
Now we're going to use starch flow to add to our slime. And I'm using the 1/3 of a cup. And I'm going to use a little. So you want to add just a little. And you want to start mixing and add.
So that starch flow
once you
is
add
so it's getting together. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a war. Okay. 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 John, can you watch Danielle and Jonathan?
No.
Please. I'll make you slime. Can I, Jonathan?
I want to see Danielle.
You don't see Danielle?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you some slime. What color do you want? Blue? Do you want blue? Do you want blue slime? Alright, go watch Danielle. Guys, you can make any
Whoa,
different
look
slime.
at the Doritos.
His name is Nacho. It's gonna be hard to make. Oh, guys. Oh, what do you think? What, like, if you're saying like, what are you mixing with? I'm mixing with a pencil, cause I don't even have like a spoon or fork to use. So yeah.
Bye, Doritos.
Well, still not done. I know, guys. We're like, oh my god, you're taking so long to mix. I know, guys. This is horrible. It's like it's been an hour. Oh my god, I almost fell. I do not mix with this hand. I mix with this hand. Maya, que chegou! I'm so sorry, guys. I was gone. It was because my mom babysits kids, so yeah. I might be gone for a couples. No. John, can you put this?
Yes. That's all.
Okay, mix. John, stop. Let me do it.
I'll be right back.
I'm safe by what is it called? Activator. Yes. Activator. No.
Never on. That's all. Get it. Whoa. That's all.
Well, now. Well, Jonathan.
I'll be right back.
golden rings. Well, I have to get ready. So this might take long. I might make another video. Bye guys. See you.